having a meeting with them, especially with the former speaker, 𝐊𝐔𝐌𝐀𝐑𝐈𝐍𝐄𝐒 and 𝐊𝐔𝐌𝐀𝐑𝐈𝐍𝐿𝐷 it has never happened in my life. And then much more, I will receive a paper bag. So, ano ba naman ng siopa ho? To go ba yun? No, it's very preposterous. Sana inayos na lang nila muna yung script. I won't allow anyone to smear my reputation that I protected for many, many years. No? Even when I was Secretary of SIL, of the DILG, my policy is no take, no give. Eh, biglang meron pang ganyang paper bag. So it's not within my professional ethical attitude.
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.